To unstake Phantom Wallet, import wallet. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet application installed on your device. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet for storing and managing Solana-based cryptocurrencies. If you have already staked your tokens, unstaking them will allow you to access and use your funds again. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the wallet you wish to unstake. This can be done by selecting the specific wallet from the list of available wallets. Next, click on the three dots next to the wallet name to access the wallet options. From the drop-down menu, select the stake option. This will take you to the staking page, where you can view your staked tokens and available balance. On the staking page, locate the unstake option. Click on this option to initiate the unstaking process. You will be prompted to confirm the unstaking action, as this will remove your tokens from the staking pool and make them available for use. Confirm the unstaking action by selecting the Confirm option. The unstaking process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion and the specific staking program you are using. Once the unstaking process is complete, your tokens will be available in your wallet and can be used for transactions or transferred to other wallets. It is essential to note that unstaking tokens may result in a loss of staking rewards. So it is crucial to carefully consider your decision before unstaking. In addition to unstaking, it is also possible to import an existing wallet into Phantom Wallet. To do this, navigate to the Phantom Wallet settings page and select the Import Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your wallet seed phrase or private key to import the wallet. Enter your wallet seed phrase or private key and select the Import option. The wallet will be imported into Phantom Wallet, and you can access your funds and manage your wallet as usual. In conclusion, unstaking Phantom Wallet Import Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and considering the potential consequences of unstaking, you can easily access and manage your staked tokens. Remember to always prioritize wallet security and carefully consider your decisions when managing your digital assets.